Ka Shillong Lajong kala poi ka Kyrdan ka Balai Hadien ba kala Pynliem ka Churchill Brothers FC da ka Arko la Not ha ka jinga le kai I League ka balong ha ka Rio tarik uno pra ar pulai Hamadan pulu Shillong. Ha ka ni ka jinga kun ka Shillong Lajong kala yo ban pen ki ka jar ha ka kelas step ka jinga le kai da UL Boham ha ka minute ka basa pusan. Kat bai ka gol ka ba arpat la yo tap da urenan ha ka minute ka basan pu ar. Kalbana kalyang juga Churchill Brothers FC klub persang ban penpai yakini ki arkol hendrei habakut ke jingale kai kamlap ban penpai watang shigol kapenlong ke Shillong Lajong bakan yo kur salai point lengba kani ka jingjop.
Why he is still favored by teams, and that's a steal by Lajong. And there was a foul, probably play on again for the second or third time. Shillong attack has been allowed to play on. But there were fouls in between. Well, that's excellent work. Can he get on to that? Kinsel still controlling, still on the ball, in play. The last touch came off a red shirt. It is a throw in for Churchill Brothers. They are just having a bit of issues here in terms of going in attack, because Churchill Brothers, they're showing some dominance right now.
Couple of minutes to go in this in the regulation time of the first half. Churchill Brothers, ever since we were talking about this, once the initial jitters are off, they are a very hard side to contend with. The numbers probably of the points table will not tell you. They'll say otherwise, because just with a couple of victories, Churchill Brothers, they're ailing pretty much in the bottom half of the points table. But that really doesn't met out justice to the kind of quality that Churchill Brothers have or they bring to the table. Here's the ball with Shillong Lajong. Though Shillong Lajong has, I won't exactly say that they have gone back into the husk, but now it's a more open play than it initially was. It was kind of lopsided when the game began in the wee hours of the fixture. It was just the Reds coming in numbers, but then the Red Machines, they geared up as well, and they got switched on. And since then, it has been a pretty feisty battle at both ends.
But now Shillong can attack. Renan Polino has been allowed some space. And now from the right, Paga, time and again, coming in the box. Another chance. This one is the best of them. There is no offside involved this time. It came off a deflection. And the Rock Capital can now rock in style. It's 1-0 Shillong Lajong. And now they will be a happy side.
Brilliant finish by Lajong. He had his eyes on the ball. And Shubhashish Churchill, he's certainly not happy. I reckon there's a yellow card as well that has gone out. We'll confirm quickly who was the man who was given the booking there. But a brilliant finish, a good team goal if I may say. It was not about individual brilliance, it was a dedicated effort. Rolling up straight down the gully of Bishal Lama. Who picks it up, takes his time, looks around. Just trying to steal away a few crucial seconds, that's all I can say.
He has done well. Bishal Lama, not just today, I mean throughout the season at the moment. He looks solid but hasn't got a clean sheet. But Paga, time and again, he's been dropped down, and this time no question marks. The first one wasn't given, and now Shillong Lajong, what a start to the second half if they can convert this opportunity. They're complaining.
They are complaining, they can complain as much as they want, but once the decision has been given, it's not going to get overturned. And I think a yellow card is going to come out here for the new captain. That clearly is a penalty. There's no questions on that. In fact, the second one is a penalty as well. So I don't know why the referee didn't give it at the first go itself. It should have been given. But again, I think the referee understands better, and the referee brings out the yellow card to warn another Churchill Brothers player. Will confirm who is it. Look at the crowd. They are loving that. They are heaving and swirling. They are in a frenzy at the moment. And why not? Your team's leading and has a penalty to convert.
Well, they are going crazy at the moment, especially if they can go 2 up. Their celebrations can continue. 2 favorite free kick takers, Hadien and Renan Polino. It seems like it will be Renan Polino. Just to remind you, he scored a penalty in this very fixture against Gokulam Kerala in that 3-1 victory a few matches ago. Can he convert is the question. Shubhashish Chaudhary up on a test against Renan Polino. He's got the flair, he's got the experience, Shubhashish. And will it be 1-0?
Polino with the chance. And introducing the Selecao flair. He's converted the ball into the back of the net. It took us a while to realize that, but then again, when we talk about the Selecao, they don't miss too many spot kicks, do they? Look at the crowd, look at the red flags. It's a crackling red storm taking us all by surprise.
Well, it is